Hey, Marcus.
Hey, Steve. How you doing?
Pretty good.
What are you doing?
Making some espresso with
Oh.
our new Ethiopian.
Interesting. Perfect timing then. Because I went out and bought this inexpensive espresso machine.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can make a good espresso from it.
How much did it cost?
It was under $40.
Holy crap. Okay. Well, let's give it a try.
Try it out.
Okay. All right. So Marcus bought this inexpensive espresso unit. Let's see what we can get out of it. Let's do a little tour real quick here, though. First, so it's got a little steam wand on here, as well as a portafilter. So it kind of looks like a normal espresso machine with a cup and a portafilter. It's got this little carafe here. This is not for milk. It's actually for measuring out water and then the coffee output. Interestingly, it didn't come with a tamper that you use to tamp down the grounds. I don't know if that was intentional, if I don't want you to tamp it, or if it was just an omission for this particular unit. So I pulled an old tamper out of a espresso machine I have. It's an old La Pavoni. These are very inexpensive. They're little plastic tampers. So we'll use this to tamp the coffee. This is a single boiler type of espresso machine. It's got a little valve here that is used to divert steam pressure between the frother and the group head. So it's very, very simple. Let's see if we can get some good espresso out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and measure out 18 grams of coffee and go ahead and tamp the 18 grams. So we got 18 grams of coffee grounds in here. I'm going to just go very simple here. I'm not going to do a huge production. Just get it as even as I can. And then what we'll do is we'll load the portafilter into the machine. And lock it in place. And then what I'm going to do is put some water in here. Now what's interesting is this 2-line and the 4-line, that's really for brewed coffee, not really for espresso. It's interesting, the line, if you were to fill it up to the steam line, that's about what 40 grams of coffee or a double espresso would actually be. I'm going to go ahead and put a little more water in there to allow for steaming of the milk. And we'll go ahead and pour it into the boiler. Put the lid on. And then we'll put the carafe under here. And, just so that we have a nice accurate portrayal of the output of coffee, I'm going to run a scale under this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this machine until we get to a double shot. And then switch over to steaming the milk. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it to the on position. So it's in the on position, and we got the scale zeroed out. And let's see what happens. Okay, we're seeing the first drip. Nice red espresso. Nice color to it. Nice aroma. And I'm going to switch it to the off position when we get up near a double shot. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And then we got the milk here. And I'm going to go ahead and steam the milk now. Okay, let's see what happens. It did steam the milk. It's more like a cappuccino, but I got a little bit of microfoam out of it. Let's go ahead and put it into a cup and see what happens. Nice color to it, not much crema. The crema seems to be on the bottom of the cup. All right. Smells really good. Not great in terms of being able to do latte art, but nonetheless, did come out smelling really good. Let me give this a stir. Marcus, you want to try your espresso?
Oh, you made it already?
Yep. Give it a whirl.
Let me try it. Wow, that's pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I like it.
So,
Here, you try
let
it.
me give it a whirl. Oh, not bad. Not real hot. So, but it tastes good. Tastes good. So there you have it. You can make
Wow.
decent espresso with even a $40 espresso machine.
Yeah, great. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.